What's going on, everybody? Colton Cronger here, and I'm super excited to talk about it. Awesome. This is like the best free product I've ever gotten in my life. This is the 99 Marketing Secrets Blackbook. It is 300 pages. Like, they didn't even have a bind big enough for it. I had to get 2 binds. I spent $75 just having this binded. But this is a free book that I'm gonna give to you today. All you gotta do is click the link below. My buddy Russell Brunson wrote this and this. I paid $100 for this book, and this book's probably worth a couple grand. But this book's worth 7 figures, and that's what this award is here. So this book actually took my buddy from 0 to $100 million, and took us from 0 to 7 figures. That's what this award is for, and it's really cool. So just to kind of like skim through it, it's such a massive book. Part 1, the foundation, there's like 20 secrets in there. Part 2, become an expert, so there's 20-30 secrets there. Part 3 is your offers. It breaks down how to build your value ladder, all these golden nuggets, how to do your payment processors. Part 4 is funnels. This is my favorite part. This is like what we do. Breaks down everything, like what funnels are, why you need them, and how they'll really scale your business. Part 5 is sales, and this is also, it's got to be your favorite part. This is your money. This is how you're gonna make your money. And then part 6 is mindset, and this is something like we talk about in our free course, which you can also get below. Mindset, marketing, and movement. This thing, I heard that this thing is not going to be free for long, but right now I've got the hookup. I'm going to send this to you for free, and it's PDF, so you don't have to pay anything. You don't have to have it printed. I don't need your credit card. Just give me an email address. I'm going to send it to you within 30 seconds. Got these cool robots that like send this out for me. So again, you don't have to pay $10, $20, $30,000 for this. You don't have to pay $100 for this. Click the link below. I'm going to send it to your inbox instantly, free. See you guys later.